Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this are super fast if you know the trick. We need to find where this specific function is decreasing right now. First, find the function's derivative. Using the power rule, the derivative of x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 8 is 4x cubed minus 12x squared. Next, we set that derivative equal to 0 and factor it out. Factoring 4x squared gives us 4x squared times the quantity x minus 3, which reveals our critical points. Finally, check the signs. The derivative is negative when x is less than 3, so the function decreases there. Option A is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi, watch your signs, and avoid rushing by trusting the given information and steps.